What we're going to be doing today is splicing a couple of pieces of thick-walled DOM stainless together so that we get a really good fit. What we have here is a bend that we're going to be using. Got a turned down slug, thick-walled slug right here. You could use a solid slug if you want and not really worry about it too much in handlebars, but if you want to do any kind of internal wiring, you're going to want to be able to pass the wires right through, chamfer the edges so that it's not going to wear on the wire. Alright, the interior of this stainless measures probably about 0.765, 0.77. It's not a 2 3/4 inch like a lot of the mild steel that you're going to run into. If you look at this, you can't really get that in there. That's what we're looking for. That's like the way I like to splice the tubing together. What we're going to do is apply a little bit of heat to this section of the stainless to expand it a bit so we can slide the slug in easily. Tubing up a little bit, all around the perimeter. Kind of a neutral flame. Don't need to get it too hot, just enough to expand so that we can slide the slug right in. I'm going to slide that in right there. Going to let it cool so that it grips the slug nice and tight. And then we'll do the same to the top set that we want to make some bars out of. Going to heat up the top part of the handlebar right here that we're going to slide over the slug once it expands, and then we'll be able to pretty much pitch the bars any way we want to get the actual shape. This technique can be used if you have a tubing bender that can't get bends too close together. You just need a little small section of flat to be able to slug, and you can get your bends much closer together. Here we go. Lined up nice, slid onto each other. We'll be able to pivot the bars the way we want to see what we like for bar comfort, and then we will weld those up. That's what you get. A little bit of filing, some sandpaper strips, some emery cloth, and a little bit of Scotch-Brite. Nice and smooth.